Hi guys, welcome back to Harrison's here with the washing machines, and today I'm going to show you my little salad spinners, which is now turned into a little mini toy washing machine. So I'm going to show you which ones are the first that my dad gave me, because I wanted a fan for my bedroom so I can have air. And then which one was my second hand fan. And yeah, so without any further ado, let's get to the video. But before we do, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification icon so you get notifications every time that I post. So let's get to the video. So this fan here was the first that my dad lent me, because obviously I wanted a fan to put on my desk, and I've had it for like 4 years, should I say, or more than 4 years. It could be whenever. So yeah, you may notice that there is screws at the back. That is because this is to hold the spinner on the bracket at the back. I don't know if you can see, but they are 4 screws at the back. So that is to hold it steady. And you may have noticed that there is holes on the sides. If I keep on turning them, there is holes. And to turn the fan on, you've got 3 switches. One controls the first speed. This is the modern speed, and then number 3 is the maximum speed. And it actually does work. I did test out different sounds to this by putting I tried to get one of these cable tied strings on that I put just on the sides, so when it's spinning it does that noise. I'll show you what it sounds like when I use it. And also I like to use this water pressure that my dad used to have in his house when he used to live in Streetley Road, not far from my secondary school, but he did live that close. And yeah, because when he had his old house in Streetley, he got some furniture and table, anything. I don't know about the washing machine, but I think it's been there when my dad moved in. I don't know, I'm just guessing. And yeah, there is a video of my dad's washing machine. If you haven't checked that out, it's really good. It's really cool. I mean, there is different models, not just Dad's machine or my machine just over there. And yeah. So enough of this one. Let's get to the other salad spinner. So this salad spinner here, well, washing machine, whatever you want to call it, is basically the second hand, because this is kind of a long story. So when I went to visit in my dad's house for the last time, I asked my granddad nicely and said, "Can I please take the fan home?" And he went, "Yeah, if you want." Because when my dad passed away, I wanted to take the fan home. So yeah, and it just works the same with these switches here. This one is the low speed. That switch, button, model speed, and this last button here, maximum speed. So that is the overview. I'm going to do a demonstration now. So to do that, I have got a little bucket here with all my bits of rubbish that I've used. So I've got broken balloons that I've had in my balloon box, like one of my old explosion blades, the Barbie clothes, the vest rips that I don't really use anymore, and some of the Rip Clev ones here. So, let's get to the fun part, shall we? Let's turn it on. Let's fire it up. But also, you have to, I think with this one, hold on. What I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this and connect the tripod, so I won't have to keep on holding that. So I'll be back in a sec. How do I? Okay guys, the tripod is on. So let's go to the fun. But before we do, the thing is with this fan here is going to make a movement. So what I'm going to do is put one of them table mats underneath to stop it from. Hopefully it doesn't move. Shouldn't it? But we'll see what happens when. But anyway, let's turn it on. Hopefully we'll see some action. Okay, I could be wrong, but I'm going to leave it on. Let's put the big small ones in first. Ready? Oh, that's going to move, isn't it? Oh, that's going to... Look at that. Oh my god. I can't make that much of a noise. Oh well, put this. Okay. It's still moving though. Oh, look at that, still balancing. Oh my, that is gonna fall off. Yeah. That'll be a very good video, won't it? See what else I can add. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is absolutely full, I'm gonna say. Look at that. Let's put it on modern. Oh, it's shaking. It's actually making the table shake. I mean, look at it. If you can't see it, but if you look at that one, so spinner, that one is on to shake. I mean, look at it. There's literally a bit of loose bits sticking out the sides. Which is quite hilarious. Let's put it on high. Oh! Oh my god, if you look at that, look, it was literally on high, and I think the pressure on that one, I've actually moved it and it's lost control. Let's try again. That was actually super fun. Let's do it again. So we're going to try it on high actually. Or modern. I don't know. We'll try high because I think it'll be funny if one. Let's see what it's like on high. Oh guys, I could be wrong. That machine is actually my mum's. I like to use it because I know what I'm doing. But I do let my mum use it because I don't like taking control. So anyway, let's try again. But I'm fast. Oh, it's balanced now. Let's see if we can put them things in. This is what I mean. You use one of these cable tie things. You want to have a bit of a sound. Oh my god! I don't know if you can hear. Still balance. Okay, let's put another one in. Okay. Let's put this green one. This green broken blade in. Oh! And I've done it again. That is going to have caused a lot of damage. Right. Oh my god, look at that one. No, that's actually... No, it's actually falling. Right. Let's move on to the next one, shall we? This is what this little one sounds like. Now the buttons have actually been glitched because when I've had the cloth underneath it, it was actually making the buttons go. But it's alright. It's the way it goes, I'm afraid. So anyway, let's get to another part. Oh god, that is not gonna last much more longer than the other one. But we'll get there. Let's put it in actually. And then let's press it a few more times. Now I don't think this one will be the best to actually rock as much as this one. So let's carry on playing this one until the end of the video. But I will show you what that one actually sounds like. Oh, that is not having any of it. Oh, now it's going back. Oh, now it's going rocking. I'm gonna have to like that bit at the back is actually bright, it's not. So, yeah. Okay, so once I've given up, I say to myself, Tom's back away, I'm going to finish this video. But at the moment, I never done this video of the destruction, so I think that will be the best time to do it. Especially if anybody else is watching this, they want to see something a bit shaky and a bit of dancing things going on. So I've got one more, I've got another broken balloon, another broken balloon, and another broken balloon. Let's try this green one. Oh! Shaky. It seems like it wants to kill me. Can you hear noise in the background, guys? I'm gonna have fire up again and you're gonna hear what it actually sounds like. And look what it sounds like when it's, listen to what it sounds like when it slows down. Oh, it's gonna. Look at that. Look what's gonna happen when I throw this. When I throw this one in.